Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are finding this video on 3rd or 4th of March, believe me, you guys are here for a reason. Okay, and you guys are literally very lucky because the energy that I'm getting, it's like very specific individuals. I can say that only out of the collectives that I'm recording this video for, that are out there, only very few, I guess not even 1% people are going to resonate with this video because the energy is very different, and I am getting this signal that leave the things that you can't handle right now. Like literally, I washed my hair today, and by the way, it's night. Okay, so leave the things. If you can't handle the things in your life right now which are out of your control, just like my hair is right now, the message that I'm getting is leave them. Okay, leave them as it is and let the things find the solutions for itself. Most of you might be having a situation in your life which you are trying to control. Okay, this can be a job proposal. You are trying super duper hard to get a job. I'm not saying that to leave the complete control from the situation, but I'm saying, like, if you think that you have tried enough, like I have tried enough even before I recorded this video. So if you have tried enough, if you have think that okay, I have done my part, like I have applied for the jobs, I have prepared for the interview, then just leave the rest. Things that are not in your control, it is the time for you to leave them. Alright, and we have the eclipse right now, and this is the most powerful eclipse. And eclipse energy wants us to let go of the things that we can't control and let go of the things that are not serving us. So the eclipse energy comes, and asks us to release what's no longer serving us, to let go of the unnecessary control. Okay, so if you're resonating with all this, this can be, holding on to a partner also. Like, that this person is getting so much dramatic. The relationship is getting so much hectic for you that you are not able to focus on your health, you are not able to focus on your job, on your career, on your exams. Then it is time to let go. Okay, to let go of the control that you are, most of the time it happens that we try to make things right, especially in our relationships. We try our best, especially as a females, we try our best to keep the relationship. But if keeping the relationship is costing you your health, your financial independence, is costing you your time, your energy, I don't think it's worth keeping the relationship. And the eclipse is asking you to do that. If you don't do it yourself, the universe will make sure that in this time period, like from 3rd to 4th to 5th March, something will happen that will force you, okay, to let go of anything that is not serving you, but you're not able to let go. Okay, so if this much resonates with you, you are the one out of the collectives for the message is going to be. I'm going to use the moon cards. Okay, I just love this deck. This is the first deck. When I learned the tarot, I did not hop onto the the original cards, but I hop onto the moon cards because I am the moon child and I really connect well with the moon. My intuition gets more heightened up, more deeper. The personal tarot clarity sessions that I do during this time becomes even more deeper and even more clearer. So if you are looking for guidance, you can book the personal tarot clarity session. The links are going to be in the description. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Ashi and I'm a tarot coach. I help in bringing clarity in your life through tarot because I believe that once the person has the clarity of say anything in their life, for example, if you have the clarity in your life what career path is going to be the best career path for you, or if you know which career path or which partner is in alignment with you, life becomes so much easier. And I have seen my life being in a confusing hell for so many years that now it has become my purpose to bring clarity in people's lives so that they don't waste their years in searching for the answers. So if you relate with tarot, if you believe in tarot readings, right now 3 and 4th and the whole of March is the bestest month to book your personal tarot clarity session. So if you are feeling any kind of confusion in your life, maybe in any of the areas in your life, health, relationships, career and money, you know where to find the links and to book the clarity session. Only 11 slots are open especially for these 2 days because the energy is super high and I want to dedicate my time to each one of you. So I have opened only 11 slots. You can go and check them out in the description. Now let's move on to the video. Before I tell you more in-depth message that is coming for you guys, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, hype this video up so that it reaches more people, and comment down I claim the energy of the cards to claim the energy of the cards in your life. It's really very important, and this is the way to maintain two-way energy exchange. So I know you know what to do. Alright, let's see what is the message coming for all the people who are connected with the energy watching this video. Thank you, dear angel. What's coming for them this moon eclipse? Oh, like cards fall down. Let me just give me a minute. Okay, so this is oh my god. Okay, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. Oh my god, this is a lot. So let's see one by one. I hope you stick till the end. Card number 1 that we have is meditate and contemplate. Definitely, as I said, that you guys have been trying to control some kind of situation in your life, which at least the energy that I'm getting is more than 85% of that situation is not exactly in your hands. Okay, you are trying to win a battle where you have already 85% lost. And you're draining your time, you're draining your energy and you're wasting your time. You know that too. Don't tell me you don't know that. So the message that is coming is preserve your energy. If you get the sensation always that you want to try everything, that you want to try to control everything in your life, meditate. Whenever you want, whenever you get this urge from within, okay, let me talk to this person, let me just apply for that one more job, okay, let me do this one workout more, when you have already exhausted yourself, the best way to channel that energy, channel that urging energy is to meditate. Do meditation, do mantra chanting, do EFT, do some kind of activity to calm that nerve down. Right? Every time you get any kind of sensation, it's not necessary that you act on the basis of the sensation. You can still manage it by meditating, by reflecting, by journaling, by just telling yourself, relax, you have done enough. And that's all you need. 3 deep breaths and you are done. So this is the message that I'm getting right now. Confidence is the key to success. As I was saying, you don't need okay, this is crazy. As I was saying, something is ending. Okay, stop, just for a split second, just stop trying to control the situation, whatever the situation is. You never know what's, after that. Once you let go of the control, once you release, as I was saying, the need for you to control the things in your life, you allow the universe to send the miracles to you. You guys need to understand, till the time, in our daily life also, till the time, our mothers, for example, till the time our mothers keep doing the things by our own self, we don't get up ourselves and try to help her. But the moment she relaxed and she said, okay, I need your help, what do? We go and help her. You need to tell the universe that I am ready to receive the help. Allow the universe to send the job, the right partner, the right health, whatever, the right opportunities to you. Just stop trying so much to control, okay? And you will find a new opportunity, new job, and a perfect aligned partner when you release the control from the situation, okay? You are very close to achieving your goal. I can't emphasize much because the only thing that you can say that I'm repeating in the comments below, but the only thing that the cards are telling me that once you just allow, release the control and allow the universe to send the things in your life that you are struggling so hard for. I'm getting someone who is really working hard, giving their 100, 200%, trying to save the relationship, trying to get the job, trying to do this and that. But they are not allowing the universe. When we try our 100%, We don't give the universe the space. Like you can only get 100 marks out of 100. Okay, you got the 100 marks. Now there is nothing left to be done by the teacher because you already scored the full marks. But what happens when you leave the marks for at least like 98%? Just an example. What you can say, you can go and you can, negotiate with the teacher like we used to do in the school. Okay, just an example. So we can negotiate with the teacher, we can ask them, so you can increase this mark, 1 mark here because I want to score 100. And some teachers do that. Like I know personally the teachers who do this, at least in my time. Okay? So we left the space, 2 marks, we left the 2 marks on the table so that the teacher can do her work. As simple as that. So you need to allow the universe do the 80% of work. I'm not asking you to do nothing and just sit and meditate. No, I'm not asking you that. I'm asking you do that 70%, 80% work and then allow the universe. Leave that 80% on the universe and sit in the relaxed state. If after doing 80% you are still stressed, you are still hopping from one job portal to another job portal, one person to another person, okay, you are not relaxing, you are not allowing. Don't come and comment down that I did nothing but nothing happened. The thing that I'm asking you is to relax, so that after 80% of the work that you have done, if you can relax into that 20%, knowing that it will get done by the universe, then you are allowing the universe. But after doing the 80% work, you left the 20%, but in that 20% the energy of you is desperation. You are desperate. When it will happen, how it will happen, who will do it if I will not do it? And you are constantly checking your 3D. You are constantly checking your 3D. That see, it's not done. See, it's not here. See, I did not get the job. You are still in that desperation stage. You are still not allowing the universe. You are doubting the universe. And when we doubt on someone, what happens? Yeah, it's over. It's over. The game is over. The universe is not going to deliver. Most of us don't know how. Most of us don't know how to receive. And that is one of the reasons that we take years for the thing that could have only taken months. Okay? Because it's not our fault actually, it has been built within us by the society. Because the society does not value a person who allow the ease in their life. The society wants the person who hustle constantly in their life. Not knowing that the hustle is not the only answer. Okay? Your dreams need a practical plan. Okay? We have full moon in Taurus. As I was saying, like some kind of relationships यहाँ पे need to release, like some personal issues going on around your relationships, maybe in your family, maybe in your romantic relationships. I am seeing the moment you guys allow the ease to flow, allow the universe to do the work, allow the universe to solve the problem or to fill the gap in the relationship, the personal issue, whatever going on in your relationships is going to sort out. Okay, as I was saying, allow the space, give the space now to the universe. This is like the main message, and I'm keep repeating it so that your subconscious mind, it gets in your subconscious mind. Okay, so not just a normal reading, we have your dreams need a practical plan, to which I am still sensing that you need to make sure that you are doing this. But again, as I was explaining in between, when I say that allow the universe to do the work, I'm not saying to drop the 80% of the work, because I am an action oriented girl. Okay, if I would not post the video, I cannot expect the universe to make it reach more people. Only after I have recorded the video, after I have edited the video, after I have posted the video, that's like the 80% of the work. Okay, only after this, after posting, okay, I then allow the universe to make it reach more people, or like how many people the universe wants. If you are missing out on what I'm saying, I'm again telling you, I'm not like the other creators telling you to sit and just let the universe do the thing. No, it's not, just does not happen that way. You need to put in the work, but that's only 80%. Give the universe enough space. Allow the universe do the things that are in your control. Like for me, sitting and recording the video, editing the video, posting the video is in my control. Right? But how many people it reaches, it can never be in my control. It can never. Because that depends on algorithm, that depends on universe, that depends on ultimately on other things apart from me. So I don't control it. If it is receiving 500 views, 5,000 views, 50,000 views, it all depends. Okay, but I just allow. Okay, I have done my work. Now it's your job. Make it reach how many people you want, right? Because there is a time for me to reach 5 lakh people, and there is a time of me to reach only 5,000 people, and I don't judge that because I know at that point of my time that's the best for me. What if my video reaches 5 lakh people, but I was not ready for the comments that I got? So I did not know, but the universe knows. So when you can just relax in whatever you are getting and still work for the very best, that's when you know you are moving in the right direction. And I hope this video does not only gives you the tarot clarity, but it also helps you rewire your subconscious mind, because I'm not just a tarot person, I am a tarot coach. So mostly my videos are going to revolve around like this, like it did. Okay, I don't know. So that's it from today's video. I hope you find it resonating. Do let me know in the comments. Claim the energy in the comments. Hype this video up, share this video with your loved ones, like this video, subscribe to the channel. And if you are seeking clarity in your life, then you know where to find the links. They are in the description box. Only 11 slots are open. And as soon as the 11th person book the clarity call, the calls are going to get closed. And the calls are going to be on the basis of first come and first serve basis. So go and check out the links in the description, and I will see you on the path of clarity or on my next video. Till then, take care everyone. Bye bye.